Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called MultiSend, which is a next generation autoresponder that will let you put all your communication channels in one place and helps to send unlimited profit sucking messages to email, telegram, whatsapp, sms, voice messages and many more and generate huge sales. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $5,000 for you. So watch the video till the end, and to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hey friends, today I'm going to be introducing you to a 5-in-1 AI-based marketing platform that combines the power of email marketing, SMS, voice messages, WhatsApp and Telegram to drive traffic, leads and sales without any technical skill or hard work. This platform is called MultiSend. Now to get started with MultiSend, you log into your dashboard right here and you start by configuring your email, SMS and your voice messages. Now to do that, you come right here to settings and you click on configure email. Now right here you can select any of this, and once you click on it, it's going to display a form where you're going to add up your SMTP settings. Now right here you're going to add your SMTP host, port, username, password, sender email. And once you're done with this, you click on save changes and you can set that as default. You can add up to 5 different SMTP settings. Now, some of the SMTP providers you can get these settings from is Sendinblues, Mailjet, Mailgun, SendGrid, Postmark. You can get this SMTP. All you need to do is to register on these platforms. Now once you're done with this, you go right back to settings. You come right here to configure your SMS. Now you can see list of SMS providers you can register with and get the details from. Right here you have Twilio, and if you're registered on Twilio, you can add up your account SID, account secret and the phone number, the sender phone number. And once you're done with setting this up, you save changes and you set it as default. Now you can also set up your SMTP length, SMS length. Right, all you need to do, you click on add page and right here for the voice messages, you have Twilio voice. You click on action, you come right here, enter the account SID and secret and set as default. So once you're done with this, you're good to go. The next one right here is the email. Now you can start sending out your emails to your list. Right here is you add your subject, and right here is the sender name. Once you've set up your SMTP configured on the settings, you're going to be seeing the username of the email forwarder right here. So right here is the email addresses. You have 3 options you can use to add up your email list. You can choose to add it up manually right here, or you can create a list right here and add up your email list. And once you click on this, it's going to show your list right here. And here also you have the options to add up a TXT file where you have your email list right there. So right now I'm going to be adding just a few right here, and I go on next to add my message. The next one right here is the delivery time. You can choose to schedule this message, or you can choose to send it instantly. But once you click on the schedule, you need to select a date and time you want this message to go out to your list. And once you're done with this configuration, you click on send email. Now this is going to take us to our history. You can see right here we have a history of emails we've sent out, and the status is sent successfully. Now the next one right here is the send SMS. This is where you set up your SMS. Here you enter the email, the message, and you can add your contact numbers right here. You also have the options to add it up from a list and also from a TXT file. So once you're done with this, you can choose to schedule this or send it on an instance, and you click on send message. This takes us to our SMS history. Now right here you have the voice, and it's also the same routine. Here you can add up an MP3 URL, or you can upload an MP3 file, and you add your contact numbers in international format, or select from the list you've added right on the create list, or your contact from your TXT file, and schedule or instantly send this out. Now the next one right here is the WhatsApp messages. Now you start by adding up your message. And right here is the contact phone number. So you can add your list of contacts, or you can select from your list, or you can add from a TXT file. And right here you can schedule this or send it instantly. Now once you're done with this, you're good to go. You can send out this message. Now once you send this out, it's going to go into your history. You're going to see all WhatsApp message you sent out. Now the next one is Telegram message. Now before you get started with the Telegram message, you need to create a bot on Telegram. All you need to do is to search for bot father, and once you search for bot father, you can start creating a bot right away in less than 1 minute. And it's going to generate a token for you, where you're going to add right here. So I'm just going to add up the one I have created and the token. And right here is the message, the welcome message I want my subscribers to see immediately they access this bot. Right here. So I'm good to go, and I click on submit. Now right here I can access all my Telegram bots, because I can create as many bots as possible. I can choose to access it from the list of bots or right from here. So you can see this is my bot, and right here I can see my total subscribers. I can come right here to push in a message into everyone that has access to my bot. The next one right here is where you create your list. You enter the list name and you can choose the list type, either an email list or a phone list. Now right here is the create campaign. Now to get started, you come right here, you can create campaign for email, SMS, voice, WhatsApp, Telegram. You can select the ones you want, and right here is where you give your campaign a name. And if you've created an email list, you can add your email list right here. And right here is the SMS sender. And also applies to phone lists. And if you have a Telegram bot added, you can add your Telegram bot right here. Here's a description for my campaign. You can see right here is the preview, and here is the button text. And with this, I can set up my campaign. So it takes me to my campaign list. These are lists of campaigns I have. Right. So right here you can see campaign list where I want to share my campaign links. But before I share, I need to activate my campaign right here under action. And with this, my campaign is being activated and this can be accessed. So you can see right here, users can enter their full name, email, phone number, and WhatsApp number. And right here is a link to my Telegram. So right here, you can come right here to add a follow-up. So whoever engages with my campaign is going to get a follow-up. And I can set up a follow-up for email, SMS, WhatsApp, and Telegram. That's amazing, right? And right here, add my subject, add the message I want to forward to the person once they subscribe to my campaign, and set that up. And the same thing applies to SMS and WhatsApp and Telegram. So friends, this is how you use MultiSend to send to 5 different platforms. Thank you.